Hi everyone, this is a video about this Sony Walkman, and this is one of the generic ones that you can find it on eBay, but this one is in really good condition and there are some good points about it, and it's just perfect, cassette player companion, because it has all the functionality built into it rather than having a remote control, inline remote control that you can adjust everything. But here you have everything at your hand, and this item, it just comes like this. And because they are taking one AA battery, it doesn't have any battery packs and any like the old ones that it has gum stick batteries and an additional battery pack, but this one has only one compartment for the battery, which is AA battery, and we just put one in there, and then you close this, and this is the inside of it. And as you see, the condition is really good. The pinch roller and the head, they are all intact. And when you purchase this, pay attention to these two sensors. One of them is for the sound, connecting the sound, and the other one is for the tape inside. So if these two, one of them or two of them is missing, when you put the tape in there, when you press any buttons, they are not doing anything at all, because it doesn't know that the tape is inside or not. So it's really crucial if you pay attention to the existence of these two sensors. And then this one is a head feeder. It means you put the head first and then close it. And we have here a battery check, or function here rather. And when you press the function, it first shows you the battery level, and as your battery is fresher, the light is a little bit brighter. And then here, the combination of the function and this is going to activate automatic volume level system. And if you press this one, fast forward is going to activate the blank skip. And if you press this one on its own, you go to normal, mega bass, and groove sound quality. So when you press, this one is separate than all of this. And then on this side we have nothing. Here we have nothing. Here we have the whole volume and inline remote jack, and here we have the eject button. And in order to open this, you just have to unscrew. For maintenance and changing the belt, you just have to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's it. And then the back comes off, and when the back comes off, you see, let me just see if I. And now it's time to play some tracks to see how the quality is going to play out. The battery is inside, and then I'll show you, let me just show you the images that I wanted to show you from inside. So when you open the back, you see this, and this is how you install the belt. Let me just see if the image, clearer image. I think this is good. And in Sony Walkmans, the good thing is you don't have to, you know, remove the PCB in order to change the belt. It's just available here, so it's really easy. So I recommend buying Sony's more than Panasonic's, because you need some sort of soldering skills in order to do that. So this one is like so. It's in very good condition, and if you see, there is not much of the damage on this. A little bit of rubbing off here and some minute scratches there, but in general it's in good condition. And now if you want to play, and this is the sound processor. This is mega bass. Oh, that was groove. This is normal, mega bass, and groove. Normal, mega bass. And here you have the skip and auto volume level system. You see, it just kills the volume. I don't know why it exists. And auto reverse.
Crack the photo. What?
This is the tape that I'm using for, you know, the speed and the sound quality. For instance, this song, this track has been recorded with Nakamichi, and it's very high quality. And the other side is just a normal voice talking that you can defer if it has vowel and flutter, or it's slows, or it's fast. And it has, I think, yeah, it has the automatic track select. When it gets to the beginning of the tape, it stops and plays. Most of the time it has 4 or 5, and as the quality is going higher, it goes to up to 9 tracks. So I just show you another time all around this. And the price of this, it differs from £20 not working and in not excellent condition like this, and if it's like this not working, is about 40 to 45 pounds, and if it's working like this without the remote, is about 70 pounds. And then if it has the inline remote, it goes to up to 90 to 100 pounds in good condition with the pouch. Anyway, I hope you like my video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.